Lalang. Pagising. Topak na naman. Yeah. As usual, the mix. The ultimate mix of coffee. But I have Nescafe regular here. Because I don't have any latte. So just regular. And this vanilla. And I have some shawarma here from last night. Yeah, just have small. Yeah, breakfast. And by the way, guys, it's the middle of the what? Replay. And by the way, guys, it's the last day of the week. Yeah. And look, guys, nakabukas na lang yung bintana namin, Noddy.
Malamig na kaya sa umaga, lalo na doon yung hangin kapag ganun sa kitchen.
Paano yung hangin?
Pag ganyan.
Kaya oo nga, malamig na, hindi na kailangan ng electric. Kahit ka wala electric pa, hindi naman mainit. Malamig ang hangin yan. So, may aksidente na naman. Ambulansya. Boom, last day. And yeah, may papel. Bale, natapos din yan in time. Actually, yung kanina, yung bungguan doon, lumang sasakyan wasak. Pero hindi ko na video kasi nandito sa gilid na gilid, tas mabilis nang nakita namin ganun. So yeah, buti, saglit lang din, hindi naman ganun katagal kasi nga, biruin nyo, halos 5 lanes na yung nasakop ng mga sasakyan na usually 4 lanes, 3 lanes, ganun. So, naging 5 siya. Diba? Lalaki kasi ng mga, nakaalat na space ang mga sasakyan doon sa kalsada. So, yun. Hey guys, yeah. I'm just taking some signatures. Wow, there's something in this auditorium. There's something inside. I saw. Yeah, just taking some signatures and yeah. Let's go. I will not film it the whole trip because you know it already. You see it on my previous vlogs. So the usual. Let's go. Sago. Yeah. Dito ako sa office ni Dad. Wait lang na signature niya. Nung amo pala niya. So yeah, I got 1.35 miles in 1 hour and 106 calories. Yeah. This is just a chill walk and up downstairs. So yeah, it's good. It's good morning exercise. And basta kilikili ko and I just need some juice to freshen up my body. Yeah. See this one, guys. So cool. I don't know what this place is, but I think they have so much fun here. It's like a museum, as you can see. And this one, some of the robes. Yeah. And some vintage cars also here. Cool, yeah. You see some ladies taking pictures. Yeah, I think they have having fun here. Yeah, just want to see because I'm amazed of this magazine. Just full of pictures and photos, pictures. Yeah, cool. Yeah, boy, some creamy, smooth taste coffee for today. Just a relaxed day as of now. So yeah. And yes, it's official. Weekend na. Yeah. Iniintay ko sa lahat. Weekend na. Yeah. To the highest level. So yeah. Food trip, mani. And Hershey's chocolate. Yeah. And sa mga nakapagtanong na, actually, na-excite ako shoutout Charlene Taray. Yeah. At saka kay Dane Redito. Tsaka kay ate. Teka lang. Ang name talaga ni Happy Miss ay si Ate Patty. So, hi. Napakaganda ng message niya. Actually, pinost ko sa, sa page ko. So, check it out, guys. Yeah. So, yes. Yun. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapagtanong, magtanong na kayo. Dahil sasagutin ko lahat yan sa isang video. So, ngayon na. Comments below, guys, kung may pahabol kayo, yeah. Kasi tatatlo pa lang yung tatanong at sigurado ko, wala pang 1 minute, masasagot ko na lahat yun. Kaya magtanong na kayo, ha. Weekend na, kaya madami akong energy, kaya maganda kayo. Dahil bukas, binyag ni Chloe, at wala lang, binyag lang niya. Pupunta kami, kakain kami. Party ba? Tapos, yun, uwian na. Magpo 4 o'clock na, and nagbablog ako gamit ang kaliwang kamay na usually na hindi ko naman ginagamit. Kaya huwag na kayo magtatanong ko anong kamay ang ginagamit ko sa pagbablog dahil kanang kamay. Yan, balik natin. Okay na. So, kanang kamay ang ginagamit ko sa pagbablog dahil, yeah. See you guys. Yeah, kamusta mo? Tingnan nyo. Iba-iba silang currency. Wow. Cool, yeah. Yan, reals, pesos. Dito sa kabsada, ito magte-take out lang kami. Look, kaya sila nakain. Oops. Dito ako pinalabas sa likod. Sinarado na nila yung restaurant. Yan. Tadaan! Books. Halo! Yeah, boy. Yeah. Nandun sila dati sa unahan. Ngayon lang ako nakadaan dito. Wala stick yan. Bam! Half chicken and the kabsa. This is the long rice. What do you call this one? The basmati rice. So yeah, I've learned again once again what kind of rice this is. And they have this leaf. This is good. Busy naman daw si Dad. Meow. Ang kinakalikot mo dyan, di. Smile. Smile. Tanggal niyo yung pustiso. Naglinis ng pustiso. Dang! Ubos. Tuloy may kanin pa dito. It's for only 150 pesos, mga kasi 15 reals. Half chicken with too many rice. Tuloy meron pa nga dito. Kasi ang dami na din namin nakain.
And with the complement of chocolate.
Yeah, from?
Majid Hamad.
Wow, who's that?
He got operation for lus-lus.
Oh.
And then it's okay na.
So, for celebration of the successful operation of the lus-lus, chocolates. Yeah. See? This is a Galaxy one. Yeah, all Galaxy.
All Galaxy.
Look at my fingers. Wow.
But it's
what?
It's melting already, so you have to eat now.
Okay. Yeah, ligpitan na mode. Pinakamadaling ligpit. Frank? Ganyan lang. And Berks.
Ganitong pusong kain dito, Saudi style.
Saudi style. Then, tapon.
Hindi na nagpapos.
Tapos ito yung plastic. Kung saan mo pinagbilad, diyan mo na din itapon. Diba? Diba? Yan. Diba? Tapon mo na din. No, yung kanin pa. Tapon. Tapos mo punas-punasan na lang yan para matanggal yung mga mantika. Yan Yun sample sample. Yeah. Kasi yan, ang libreng
towel paper.
Yeah, saan galing?
Sa makita sa vlog ng mga taga-street.
Kinukuha ni Daddy sa CR pag wala na. Natanggal niya doon sa mga dispenser. Na walang tao. Kalas lagi sa bag. Ito may pamunas kami.
Hinihingi ko kayo sa
Kalas mo lang yan dun. Daddy talaga. At least may libreng tissue na kami, diba? Boom! Chai mode. Once again, twinnings and with honey. Yeah, boy. Masarap kasi uminom ng tsaa pag busog, pag madami ka nakain kanin or something na meat. Yeah, sarap mag-tsaa para mabilis matunaw ang yung kinain. Okay? Guys, ito yung pinanood ko nung minsan, yung European Music Awards. Ito yung lino ng kopyo. The best. Boom! 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 Actually, pinanood ko to dito lang sa laptop. Kuya, papanoorin namin ni Daddy. The big screen! Yeah, nanonood kami nung birthday celebration ko nung last October 30. Yeah. That's the live. Yeah.